So I took this US 30 buy. Immediately it tapped me in, it just went straight for my stop loss. The volume was very high, although I risked times 2 of what I usually risk. Since the volume was very high, so it still tapped me in and I went straight for my stop loss. It was a very quick loss. So because of this is my 6th trade I've lost in a row. But nothing to worry about regardless. We still go tomorrow and we still enter the market again. See you all tomorrow. So you see my bro there, he just passed Marvin phase 1 account. You know easy because I did chop stop loss see. So like this now, go buy and palm wine and Kobe. Congrats, bro. So today's winnings, I intended to take this gold buy on a 5-minute time frame. So immediately it broke out from London session, I set my order here for it to come back and tap me in at the demand zone. But this time price still did not come back. Initially I was looking at taking here for market to break out from here, then come back and tap me. But you see what market did, it went up, it came back. Still did not break the previous side, then it came by, respected the initial zone I intended to enter from. Then when he went back up again, it still did not break, it came back and it broke this time. So immediately it broke, I set my order at this demand zone. But as God had it, still did not come back to tap me, but it still went in my direction. Right now gold is in an all-time high and it has been bullish for a very long while. If you look at gold on the 1 hour time frame, you see that it has been very bullish for a very long while now. And most time it tend to respect the immediate demand. So that was why on the 5-minute time frame I picked the immediate demand immediately. But it still did not come back anyway. So here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that it has been buying for the past 2 or 3 months now. And that was a good reason for me to buy. But as it got to be, I picked the demand within the London session, but price still did not come back to tap me in. That's to say that market has been very volatile for the past few weeks, especially since this trading conflict between Trump and China. So this is our recent reality in the market and we still have to face it, because at the end of the day, we just have to adapt to the market. Then on USD CAD on the 5-minute time frame, my intention was to buy after a breakout from this London high. But as you see, a market did not break out from the London high. Instead, market break out from London low. Then it just went straight in a bearish direction. Meanwhile, initially I wanted it to break out from this London session, then I would have entered from here, from this demand zone. So this is where I initially wanted to enter from. But since market did not meet up with my criteria, I did not trade on USD CAD as well. Then on NAS on the 5-minute time frame, my intention was to sell on NAS, but immediately after a breakout. So at this point, although it broke out, but it broke out really late. If you notice here, it broke out at 6:30. Meanwhile, in my trading plan, if it does not break out before 5 o'clock, I do not trade for the day. So my intention was for it to break out from here, then I went at the demand zone. This would have been a losing trade if it had broken out from here, then tapped me in. But then since it did not meet my trading plan or my trading criteria, so I did not take this trade. This is where you see the importance of adhering or keeping to your rules. If I had not kept to my rule because it refused to break out from here, I was like, this candle has broken out from here, but it did not close out below London session, I should just take the trade. It would have been a loss trade for me. But since I kept to my rule that if a market did not break out and close below or above London session, I would not take a trade. And that was what helped me in this trade. I stuck to my rule and I did not take this trade. And it went in my direction, but it would have gone straight for my stop loss before going straight for my direction. So because of that, I did not take a trade on NAS as well. So once again, see you all tomorrow, Thursday. Let's up. So as you see, I just took this gold buy on the 5-minute time frame. Immediately broke out from London session. I set my order as this demand zone here. So you see, a market came the first time, rejected from this point. It went towards my take profit, then came back. Immediately tapped me in. It went straight for my stop loss. It's just how it is. So this is my 7th loss in a row. But we still go regardless. Tomorrow we still enter the market and move. So there was no trade today, so I decided to take a stroll. Today is Good Friday and as well bank holiday, so I didn't trade today. So this is me walking towards the church and they are observing Good Friday. As you can see them all here, they are all observing Good Friday. This is teaching hospital and this is the church. So no trade today until next week. So after the 7 losses in the road I have incurred, so today I had luck that there was no trade today because of bank holiday. So I just came out with my guy. See my guy here. So this is my guy here. His name is Dambala Blur on Instagram. So go check out my guy. He's a hospitality enthusiast. So go check him out on Instagram. So for now, this is a cruise I'll be having for today. Just a cool drive around Calabar since I've incurred so many losses. Probably with this I'll be able to calm my head down. So that was it for today. See you all next week.
Reject us. How will not? I thought you would hesitate to give us this 1,000 naira. Are you talking to me? I will show you the big difference between capital letter P and the small letter. Yes, he's lucky. We have beaten him up mercilessly. Are you talking to me like that? Yes. This morning we bought all of you. See, let me tell you. Money will only bought you when you start money.
So that's it for the week. I took just 2 trades and they were losses. So this is what my P&L looks like for the week. Nevertheless, if you are new to this channel, please do like and subscribe. And as well, turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a video, you get notified and you'll be the first to watch it as well. So for the week, it was a losing week as well. And I just have 1 trade to blow my account. So nevertheless, we still move regardless. There's no fear in trading. You get, we always come to market every day to take a risk. We hope that the risk will turn out to be a profit, but if it turns out to be a loss, it's good anyway, because on the long run we know that we'll be profitable with our strategy. So see you all next week.